¿Qué onda, chavos? Aquí le estamos dando un tour. Aquí está ahorita un estudiante, está haciendo una pipa de 6G. We got the fuel extractor. We're using a gas welder. Then we got 2 more boots. This is for the people like the new students that they never welded before. We always use this one because it can roll. It rolls. So if they want to do a rollout, they can do a rollout just to get the hang of it, and after that, we can change it to position. What we gotta do is just tighten it up, and then put it on there. So this will be like the easier boot that we have, and then on this one we're running a Miller. Alright guys, so in this boot we got I'll call this boot the boot like for starters. Why? Because it has a rollout. Like I was telling you guys, we can always do a rollout first on a root. That way they can get the hang of it, to see what they're doing, to put their root in, to walk the cup, and things like that. That way they can be confident of them, you know, like that. That way they can be, alright, I can do this, or look, it's coming out nice, let's do it. So, you know, that way you can be more excited about it. And then after that, we move to position. This roller is really good, man. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie. I like to use this, like, there you go. And then you just this up, and then you start grinding, you can start dealing with the whole thing without messing with it. I know a lot of people might be like, well, that's kind of like cheating because on a test, they don't have these rollouts. Yeah, they don't. But like I said, this is a boot for starters. That way they can get the hang of it and they'll know what they're doing. And then we jump to the next phase, which is the position cleaning process and the position welding process. So, and then if you want to take them off, all you gotta do is hit this. Goes up and that's it. This swings to the sides too. It goes up as well. And now, what can you look for on school whenever you're going to, like whenever you're gonna start school? What things you can ask for, or what things are gonna make you the journey easier. One of them is the cups. I always tell everybody, use the right cups. Yeah, a lot of people are gonna say, hey, the cups are for the gas, you know, open the water, close it, whatever. Yes, it is like that. But the cups are for, the way I see it, the cups are for like the bells. You know, you got a stand-up pipe. Use like I don't know, 8 cup. You're using that like extra heavy coupon. You can use an 8 cup and then jump to another one, which is a number 10. 10 is the most, to me, 10 is the badass. Like 10 is the one to go for. All right, guys. So make sure you always have a towel with you, just in case for anything. Just make sure you have a towel on it because if you're grinding or if you're trying to cut your tacks or fuck up with the fucking 180 disc, you're gonna make a mess. And on the towel, it's always gonna be a thinner blade and it's always gonna be a cleaner cut. But keep in mind, always wear the guard and the handle. Respect the towel. That's all I can tell you. Hey guys, so right here, one of the students that he's being been here with us for a while. He joined the Archer Private Welding Academy. I have his name is Andres. I have some questions for him. He's camera shy. Are you camera shy?
Yeah.
Alright, anyway, so he's on his last week, right? And he's doing the 6G position right now. What made you go to, try to become a welder or go to the welding trade?
Well, to be honest with you, man, the money's good. The money's always there.
Straight up. He said, a lot of people tell you, don't say money, but we're not gonna lie, we're all here because of the money. That's why. I mean, you're not here just because you want to. We're here because of the money, and we're just trying to be a better person, try to give a better life to our families. That's what we want. Can you walk us through for what you went through all these weeks with us?
Well, I started on 5G position.
Alright.
First time doing anything with TIG welding.
Did you ever weld a TIG before?
No, first time.
First time here. Whenever you walked in the door to this facility, that was the first time ever welding TIG.
First time ever picking up a TIG torch.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's good.
And so we went from 5G, 2G to 6G. Position tax every time. I think I remember you telling me I always started the tack on the bottom.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, there's this one thing because I always tell my students, a lot of people they'll tell you like, hey, tack it here on the table, which is good, it's not bad. But whenever you're on the field, I told him, I was like, hey bro, you need to learn how to tack on the bottom because whenever you're on the field and you got a fucking big ass pipe, like a 24-inch pipe, 36-inch pipe, you're not gonna tell that guy, hey, can you put it on the table and then you can put it back. He's gonna tell you, fuck, man, get the fuck out of here. We're not gonna be able to do that shit. So we gotta be able to tack and position. So what we did, we had it on the rollout, right?
Yeah.
So we did the first tack. Over there, if you have it on the rollout, it's like you have it in Jackson's. So you have it in Jackson's, let's say like that. He did the tack on top, and then I remember he wanted to turn it to the bottom tack on top, and I told him, bro, that's not gonna work. Here you can do it, I don't mind, but I don't want you to leave from here with that experience because whenever you go out there, they're gonna tell you, hey, we can't do that shit. So he learned how to tack on the bottom, which that was the best thing he could ever done because whenever he gets out there and they tell him, hey, come tack it here, he's just gonna go and tack on the spot, on the position. So that's good, like I said, everybody that is onto the welding schools or is learning at home or anything like that, try to tack a position. That's one of the biggest things you can do because you will need it out there. Now, sometimes they have fitters. They have fitter tackers or whatever they call them. Helpers, whatever you want. But they're not always gonna be there. So that's why you need to learn how to tack a position. All right, so right now, what you did right now?
So right now I did first filler.
Okay.
On this pipe.
But you put the root in first, right?
Yeah.
So you put the root in.
Yeah, put the root in. We did the hot pass. Okay. And then we'll work on the first filler.
Okay.
Hopefully the second filler will flush it out that way it's ready for the jack.
Man. All right. Sounds good, man. Well, I'll let you do your thing, bro. And we're gonna see how he welds it. We're gonna go some shots and some video clips. That way you guys can see it. ¿Qué es lo que necesitas? No necesitas, pero ¿qué es lo que necesitas mirar en una escuela, en una academia privada, lo que sea? Aquí les voy a enseñar qué es lo que nosotros ofrecemos. Nosotros ofrecemos lo que es obviamente las drainas, todo lo que son los consumos, las varillas y todo ese pedo. Estoy aquí en este bus no por la rola. Bueno, si esto es por la rola, van a decir, en todas tienen rolas, no tengo rolas. Ese es el plan. Pero no en todas tengo rolas. Les voy a decir por qué. En esta lo llenamos el espacio que es para el principiante, que no sabe nada. Vamos por procesos, obviamente, ¿verdad? So, lo que hacemos aquí ahorita, nosotros tenemos el DS que nos estaba mencionando. Vamos a la rola y estos principiantes para que lo puedan granear aquí todo esto. Si lo quieren rolar, le pueden dar vueltas si no están batallando. No siempre va a ser así. Eso es para que empiecen así. El tercer día, ya cuando ya le agarren la onda, entonces ya los pasamos a que limpien todo afuera y todo eso. Para soldar es lo mismo. Empezamos a soldar el tubo, vamos a soldar en pipa, que la estés caminando arriba de la onda de lo que estás haciendo y luego ya después brincamos al siguiente paso. ¿Qué es lo que necesitas? ¿Qué es lo que puedes mirar? La mera verdad, lo que puedes mirar es de que qué es lo que te ofrece la escuela, no en un caso de eso, sino a la experiencia y a la ¿cómo se llama? Te van a dar las cosas que necesitas en realidad para poder terminar bien tu trabajo. En este caso, como decir las copas, si estás haciendo el Hilly Art, las copas, yo te recomiendo que uses diferentes copas. Hay 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Las copas las puedes usar en cualquier cosita. Una copa pues es diferente en una pipa que no debes usar, se va a hacer mucha diferencia. Mucha gente, yo he mirado que mucha gente nos dejan usar una copa 10 y están ahí con la 10 hasta terminar. No está mal si lo puedes hacer, porque no, ¿verdad? Pero si eres principiante, vas a pegar bastante y al final del curso te van a decir, güey, usa esta está mejor. Güey, no mames, como un año la madre y tú no me has dicho, apenas me está diciendo eso, no mames. Yo les digo a todos, busquen y miren lo que les conviene lo mejor para que puedan para que puedan aprovechar lo que están pagando, para que puedan aprovechar el curso completo y que tengan una experiencia, porque a veces hay mucha, yo he venido gente aquí que vienen a la escuela, no es que allá nomás no nos pusieron atención y esto y lo otro, entonces donde hay muchos estudiantes realmente no vamos a aprender todo, pero bueno, nosotros en este boot es el personal para principiantes. Tenemos aquí tenemos una Miller también, ya tenemos 10 welders de nosotros. El próximo video que les voy a traer va a ser el de stainless, ya lo tengo todo preparado. Lo vamos a hacer pronto y se lo vamos a poner si los quieren el lunes. Todos los lunes que hagamos videos van a ser videos de soldadura. Si hago un video un miércoles o un viernes, puede ser de otra cosa. Pero los lunes siempre va a ser de soldadura. Estén atentos los lunes. Cualquier cosa, como quieran, estamos muchachos, cuídense. Si quieres una información, ahorita tenemos $1,000 de descuento en cualquier clase que vengas. Tenemos un sponsor, tenemos a alguien que nos está ayudando. Gracias a esas personas que nos están ayudando. Y si cualquier cosa que necesiten una duda, háblenme, mándenme un mensaje y yo les contesto. Ahí nos vemos para la próxima, chavos.